If you are wondering where is the microphone located on Samsung Galaxy S26, then let me quickly answer the question for you. There are a couple of microphones on this phone. The first one we can find over here at the bottom of the device, between the SIM tray and the USB-C port in here in this place. This hole over here, this dot, is the microphone. In addition to that, the second microphone can be found at the top over here. We have two holes at the top. The left hole here is the microphone as well. Not only that, there is also a third hidden microphone for the camera, which I believe it is over here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's like a really small hole on this island, pretty much right next to my fingertip. So in that area, I'm gonna try to showcase it. I think now it's almost visible, but you can see that there's like a little hole, and according to the hardware diagram, this is where we can find the microphone as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.